In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the while iteration statement, which is one of Python's two looping structures. Iteration statements enable you to repeat a task multiple times. Now, for the purpose of this little demo, let's assume that what we want to do is calculate the first multiple of 3 greater than 50. So I'm going to start out in this case by declaring a variable and assigning it the value 3. And what I want to do is repeatedly multiply the product by 3 and store the result in the product variable. So I'm going to use a while repetition statement or iteration statement to do that. And the while keyword, which is all lowercase letters, is followed by a condition. We would like this loop to keep going until the point at which the value of product is greater than 50. So we're going to keep looping while the product is less than or equal to 50. So there's our condition in this case. We don't need parentheses around the condition, but we do need that colon to introduce the suite of statements that are going to be executed in the body of this while loop. In this case, we're going to have just one statement. You'll notice that I used a little bit of tab completion as I was typing there to help me do this a little bit faster. So we're going to multiply by 3 the current value of product and then modify the variable product to point to or refer to that new calculated value. So each time the body executes, product will be multiplied by 3, and eventually the value of product will be greater than 50, and this loop will terminate. So I'm going to go ahead and execute that statement, and at this point product contains the first multiple of 3 that's greater than 50, so we can check that by going ahead and evaluating the variable, and you can see that that value is 81. So what happened here is we started with the value 3, we multiplied it by 3 to get 9, we multiplied it by 3 again to get 27, we multiplied it by 3 again to get 81, and once the value of product was 81, then this condition became false and the loop terminated.